Alright, update number part 5. Truck is sitting on the front suspension now. We have the Duff long arms on. They are just lightly welded on frame brackets here. So I'm happy with front axle position once all the weight's in the truck. There is no trans for case, no interior, no wiring, no bumpers. There's a lot of weight to go on it. Springs are super soft, so yeah, she's gonna come down quite a bit, I'm sure. But yeah, here's the frame brackets, just 3 welds holding them on. Once I'm happy, I'll drill the holes, put the bolts in them too, and probably burn the whole thing in. But she's huge. I ended up having to clearance the front cross member. Wasn't happy with the lip at the bottom of that. Was going to interfere with the differential, so I ended up chopping the bottom of that off, and then took the original transfer case skid plate, chopped a big piece out of it, and welded on there to box it. So that's all good. We had quite a bit of clearance there. Still got to get the adjustable track bar. I tried throwing a stock one in there. It doesn't fit in the Duff bracket, so just kind of temporarily rigged up right now. Then I got to buy the better upgraded steering. Get rid of this pencil size stuff. But yeah, so far so good. It was a pretty good day. I'm going to start on the rear suspension today, get it jacked up, get the 7.5 out, springs out, gas tank out. Hopefully have a full roller by the end of the day, I'm hoping. And sitting on all 4 wheels. Get a little better idea how she's going to look. And speaking of that, I don't know if I showed this or not yet, but here we got the big bearing, 9-inch, center section, 350 gears, and 31 spline superior axles. So the rear should be all handled. It's got to cut off some brackets, some perches, and we'll get that hung in there today, along with the Skyjacker 4-inch springs. So sit tight. Hopefully she'll start flying together here real soon now. See ya.